you know that you don't really need a PC before you can trade the Forex market? All you just need is just your smartphone. Yeah, you hear that right? All you just need is just your smartphone. As you can see right here, I do all my analysis with just my phone. I don't use PC. I do have a PC though, but most of the time I don't use my PC to do my analysis. I do all my trade analysis with just my phone, and I can teach you how to do that. You don't need a PC to trade the forex market. I've been doing this for the past 3 years, and I've been profitable with it. You don't really need a PC before you can make money in this market. All you just need is just your smartphone. So yeah, I will teach you guys how to do that. So first and first, as you all know, I'm a swing trader. I do day trading, and also I do scalping. So the first thing I do in the market is I look at the direction of the market, where the market is heading. Then I scroll to the higher time frames, like the monthly, the weekly, and the daily time frames. Most times the 4-hour time frames, to look at the market direction. Then I scroll down to the lower time frames, like the 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frames, to execute my trade. Yeah, so that's what I basically do in the market. So the first thing I do is I don't know why the network is bad. So the first thing I do is I go onto the monthly time frames to look at the direction of the market. So yeah, I don't know why the network is really bad right now. So yeah. Please process. So first I look at the direction of the market, where the market is heading. Then I trade within that direction. As you can see right here, the market is making higher. The market is making. I'm going to use my cursor too. You can see right here. Let me just snap it and use it for demonstration purpose. So as you can see right here, the market is making lower highs. Market is making lower highs and lower lows. Lower highs and lower lows. So automatically the market is in a downward trend. The market is trending down. So after I see that, the next thing I will do is this. I will use my my trend line to plot my key levels. So as you can see right here, this is the trend line. This is my trend line in the higher time frame. I don't usually do this because I just want to do this because of the demonstration purpose. So I just plot my trend lines. Most of the times I don't cluster my charts with much lines like this, because I don't want my chart to look kind of scattered. So I come onto the weekly time frames to plot my key support and resistance zones. Yeah, as you see right here, come to the lower time frames to plot my key support and resistance zones. This is the way I do it. I've been doing this for the past 3 years now, and it has been working for me. I plot the most recent zones, so that's what I do. I plot the most recent zones. So basically, right now, this is where the market. The only trade I'm looking to take right now is to short the market. So yeah, the only trade I'm looking to trade is to short the market. So let me draw my trend lines. So let me plot all my trend lines. I love using trend lines. If you've been following me on my YouTube channel, you know too well I love using trend lines. Like, they help me a lot. So yeah, let me come on to the daily time frames and see what is happening. So you can see right here, this is the direction of the market right now. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going on this trade setup. I've already taken 50% of this trade setup. I've already take 50% of this trade setup. Like I've exit the trade and take 50% out, and I'm just holding these other positions. And so yeah, so these are key levels, key support and resistance zones, as you can see right here. So yeah, as you can see right here, the market was consolidating. So let me use this as an example. So as you can see right here, the market was consolidating around this zone right here. The market was just consolidating, and when the market broke out, I took a buy trade. I don't usually do this. Just like I've told you guys, I do scalping, I do day trading, and I do swing trading. So I scalped. That day I was able to trade the market to this zone right here. When I executed my trade around this area, and I set my stop loss below this, I set my stop loss below here, and I set my take profit around this area, and my trade was a winner. So yeah, and I executed on my trade position. So I waited for the market to give me an opportunity again to enter the market again. So what I did was I drew my Fibonacci. I use this tool very well most of the times. I use this tool very well for my Fibonacci. So I did my Fibonacci, I drew it, kept it around somewhere here, and the markets, when I saw the market, because I know too well the market is now trying to create, is now kind of in the short term, like it's trying to create a what's it called? The market was trying to create an uptrend. The market was trying to create an uptrend in the lower time frame. So yeah, I was waiting for the market to touch this Fibonacci level, this 38.2. So I was waiting for the market to touch this Fibonacci level around here, this 8.2. And when the market got to this zone, I entered a buy trade here, and I entered a buy trade around this area, and I set my stop loss below this level. I set my stop loss below this level, and my take profit around here. I took just small profit, and the trade was a winner again. So yeah, as you can see, after that I plot my tool, this tool here. I plot my rectangle tool around this here, because automatically this place is now a zone, and there's a probability that anytime the market gets to this zone, the market will react. As you can see, when the market got to this zone again in the future, the market reacted and bounced up. You see right here, the market reacted and bounced up. So I do plots anytime. Most of the times I plot the most recent zones in the chart. I plot the most recent zones. So I don't know why my network is really slow. I think my data is getting finished. So yeah, so after the market broke out, let me delete this Fibonacci too. So after the market broke out, I look at after the market broke out, as you can see here, this is a past market reacted around this area, so there's a possibility that the market will react here again when the market gets there. So I plot my key. This is a resistance, kind of a resistance zone. So when the market broke out of this resistance zone, when the market broke out of this resistance zone, I was waiting for the market to just make a U-turn. So when the market broke out of this resistance zone, I was waiting for the market to give me a reaction, and here the market started making a U-turn around this place. So I took a short position after I saw this engulfing candle, I went for a short. I shot my trade, and I was able to hold the trade position, and I exited around this place. I exited my trade. Around here. And And when I look at the past data, and I saw that there's a probability that when the market gets to this, area here, because as you can see, when the market got here before the market reacted, so I was expecting the market to react here. So when I saw this huge candle, I went short. On this market, sharp. Like I didn't waste time, and I exited my trade around. And immediately I saw the market was making this is a chart pattern. A continuation chart pattern. It's more like what's it called? It's more like a bearish flag pattern. You can see, let me show you guys. It's more like a bearish flag pattern. It came like this, then the market was now rising up, kind of like this. The market was now, so I was waiting for the market to I was already, as you all know, I was already short around this area. I didn't exit my trade because when I saw the market was making this kind of pattern, I knew this was a flag pattern. So I head on to the trade. I set my stop loss around somewhere here. Then right now I'm just waiting for the market to break out of this zone. I'm just waiting for the market to break out. I'm not going to close this trade. I'm just going to leave it like that. So I so much believe Forex is a game of probability, but as you can see right here, the market has now broken out of my. As you can see right here, the market has now broken out of my The market has not broken out of my moving average. The market is still stuck. There is bearish momentum in the market. So right now I might open more positions on this trade setup, but right now I'm just waiting for a breakout of this bearish flag pattern. So and I will stack more trade position. I knew too well. I know. I have seen this flag pattern before, so I know too well that this market is going to break out to the downside. So let's just watch and see. So that's it on this trade setup. For those who don't believe, I've been using my phone to trade the market for a very long time now, and I've been profitable with it. If you want to learn how I trade the forex market, if you want to learn how to trade the market professionally, This is just a basic kind of explanation. I'm not really good with explaining all this stuff, but I have a full course on this where you will learn how to trade the forex market like a professional. So I'm going to teach you how to plot, how to draw your Fibonacci, how to use your different tools, all the tools on this on this MetaTrader 5 platform. I even have a tutorial on how to use the MetaTrader 5 platform. So if you are interested, make sure you message me, or you can message me on my Instagram account, or you can just message me on the numbers showing on your screen right now. I'm going to teach you guys how to trade the forex market like a professional. Yeah, I'm really I know myself too well, like 9 out of 10 times I'm always right in this market. I'm not perfect, but I'm good with the market. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Yeah, see you in my next video. Peace out.